And so we're back. It's been like half a year. Very sorry it took that long, but we're now back. It's the 1st of January. Happy New Year. Welcome to the new decade. We're back. Music Lab is going to be back to its old weekly self. So this Saturday, there's going to be a new video. And then every Saturday, forever, there's going to be Music Lab videos. There's a whole lot else as well, which is all very, very exciting. But the main crux of this is me and Joe, we're back.
We have also started a company to run Music Lab through. This company is called Band DIY. So through this company, we are going to be running Music Lab alongside some other projects like Skillshare courses, and we're going to be writing some books, but we'll talk more about that later. So now that we've started this company, we want to sort of focus Music Lab around DIY artists. While in the past we have talked about wider subjects like major labels and how big pop stars do things, we now want to sort of funnel down what we do into being more beneficial towards DIY artists. We're still going to talk about different aspects of the music industry and how it all works, but now we're going to focus it around how you, as a DIY artist, can benefit from all this information.
So alongside the new company, we have new social media for pretty much everything. So Facebook, we now have like a Band DIY one. Twitter, we have got a new one for the Band DIY one, and we've made a new subreddit. So the Facebook and the Twitter are for the company, and if you're interested in us and what we're doing, follow them. The subreddit is for you. So it's a community thing. So it's for DIY artists to share things, to become part of the DIY community, because that's what we want to build. So it's less about us and what we're teaching and more about you and what you're doing. So we want you to share stories about you doing this thing DIY. Oh, we made our own banner, here's how we did it. Oh, we put on our own show. Hey, we released a new song and we recorded and mixed it ourselves. Here's how we did that. Or anything. Like, we just want you to share stories and share your music and share everything if you fit the bill of being an independent or DIY artist. Chances are, if you're watching anything from us and you're interested in the Music Lab in any way, you are somewhat DIY because you're wanting to learn the industry to do the thing. So chances are you fit the bill, so you should go over to the subreddit. It's r/banddiy. We currently have a post on there that should be going out today, so it'll be there ready for you. That's the artist of the decade. So we want you to tell us what your artist of the 2010s is. Who was your favourite artist? Preferably a DIY or independent artist, but we'll let it slide this one time. Like, tell us who your favourite artist was and then say why. Tell us why that person or that artist or that band is your favourite artist of the past 10 years. Give us a link to your favourite song, do whatever, like just tell us on it. And then hopefully join the community and then maybe stick around, because we want to build our subreddit into something that's worth being on, and we're going to be sticking around for it. So I hope you do too. So with that, there's more Music Lab stuff coming. We've got a company. We'll tell you way more in depth about it in the coming weeks. And yeah, it's a very exciting time. We will see you on Saturday for your regularly scheduled Music Lab video.